In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your website on Carrd.co. Now, once you've built your website on Carrd.co, over here, as you can see, for example, if I now delete this bit and if I try to go back to dashboard, it's going to say my changes are going to be lost. So I don't want this, of course, because I've worked on this website over here. It's just a tutorial, but still. But you have two options to actually save it. You can click on the save button up here, and you can either publish it to a Carrd.co URL, but if you don't want to do this, and if you don't want it actually published, you can also save it as an online draft. So as you can see over here, it's going to say, save this site as an offline draft. It's useful if you're not quite ready to share it with the world or have elements you have yet to finish. So this is perfect if you do not want to actually publish your website yet, but you just want to basically save it. So once you've done that, click on Save Changes, and these changes are going to be saved as a draft. You want to click OK, and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.